Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview above-ground 18-foot by 52-inch pool set with sand filter pump and ladder. It's time to swim in this 18-foot by 52-inch graphite gray panel above-ground swimming pool set. This above-ground pool will look absolutely amazing in your backyard. It comes with a crystal clear sand filter pump, removable ladder, debris cover, and a ground cloth. The pool is constructed of 3-ply PVC, it's easy to assemble, and it's ready for water in a few hours. Product benefits. Panels have the look of natural wood, but are made of high-density plastic. Includes the 110 to 120 volt Krystal Clear sand filter pump with a pump flow rate of 1,200 gallons per hour. Aeration Technology improves circulation and filtration, improved water clarity. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.